Land of many varieties.
Yes,
Huh?
there are tags on each one, but I try to keep at least one of each variety that I could identify. Unfortunately, sometimes the tag disappears. That's a bummer.
Happens.
But if you don't have a tag,
yeah, it's hard to.
Unless you find someone that knows the fruit.
Right.
There was a tag on it. Okay, here's one with a tag.
Okay.
So it's gonna be some Far Eastern. What's that?
Okrang Tong.
Aye.
Okrang Tong. Yeah.
I have no idea what that is.
Okrang.
But I heard it's unique. So.
I think Okrang is Thai, and then there's so Okrang, and I hope I'm not being vulgar. It means, if I'm right, it means breast, and because the mango is shaped like a breast, and then Okrang Tong is related to it. Is it maybe a bigger breast? Yeah, that's what I heard, and I could be butchering that. I could be dead wrong.
Oh, let's see what this is. This is the bed with all the unique stuff.
Okay.
That's Alampur.
Okay.
Yeah, this is an Indian variety, I'm sure.
Okay.
I heard it's supposed to be a great mango. I have no idea.
Nice. You'll find out.
Yeah.
And I love these second or third flushes that you're getting this late in the year. That's great. This is being recorded after mid-May, so.
Okay. And this here, it came from Thailand also.
Okay.
Lost the label.
Oh no.
See, the label is gone. Sometimes what happens is that we have the label on a branch like this, and it grows so fast by the time we get here to move
it
pops
oh,
it and the wind blow it away.
Oh, jeepers.
So now we don't know what it is. But it hasn't bloomed, it hasn't blossomed. So we'll find
There's Pimsain Mung. Did that ring a bell? Pimsain Mung?
I have that here somewhere. But I don't know if this is it though.
Oh,
I have
okay.
it here.
All right, that's one of the few that I'm familiar with from Thailand.
Yeah,
the classic.
The size of that. No,
that's
this is
beautiful.
One of my favorites, and I put it all the way back here and keep it away from everybody. This is a Karen Mitchell.
Okay, I'm not familiar.
I've never heard of it.
Yeah, I'm not familiar with it.
To me, this is now my favorite mango.
Okay.
It's like a Bombay and Julie mixture.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, Karen Mitchell. I hope it will bloom again. It did put on a bloom earlier, and the frost came and
took it away.
Took it away.
Geez. Okay.
And along this bed, you're gonna see just more of the kind of different mango. This is a sweet tart.
Okay.
Sweet tart for volume. That's gonna be a mango that everyone will like.
Yeah.
And you'll have a lot of it.
I highly advocate sweet tart to people. I have one in a container and I have a 20-foot tree and there's your Super Julie. Yeah. Nice flush of new vegetation on there. But
let's see what else I have that's unique.
Yeah, sweet tart's my current favorite, but I can be persuaded.
Look what happened. The same thing happened.
Same thing, you got a busted tag.
Busted tag on it. Well, anyway, I couldn't see what's on it anyway.
Oh, is it faded out?
It's faded.
Jeez.
Oh, I could smell some of them. I know what it is.
Oh, okay.
This is an East Indian.
Okay.
Yep, this is an East Indian.
Okay.
Smell.
Okay.
I know that one. Okay, we'll go across.
All right,
These
let's
are
do that.
Names that we are not going to recognize. Are those ripe mangoes?
Where's that?
Right
oh, yeah.
I hope they're
standing out there.
Ripe mangoes. What the variety is, if the tag is not missing.
There's your tag right there.
Oh, it's Tommy Atkins.
Oh, okay. So maybe not, because they get kind of big.
They get big.
So.
This one looks like a ripe. Oh no. I think the plant was about to drop it.
Is that typically a mid-season, that Tommy Atkins, like July? Okay.
It has a ways to go to get. But I want to find out.
You can. Yeah, take a shot now and see. Beautiful. What are those large mangoes over there?
Those are either Valencia. No, that's not Valencia. That looks like Kent. We go over there and look like Kent.
Okay. All right. A chicle sapote, or is it naceberry also?
Yes.
What do? You were just telling me you picked them. What do you do to determine the ripeness on them? Because this is one of my shortcomings. I have
the same problem.
Yeah.
It's smooth. This is ready to be picked.
Okay.
It is smooth. It's ready to be picked.
Okay. All right.
And if you don't, by tomorrow, some animal is gonna get it.
They're gonna smell it.
Every day I come out and I remove some.
Oh, look at all these new ones coming on. That's
If
amazing.
you don't remove them, somebody's gonna remove. Look at this. And I picked from the fruit from the tree.
Somebody was sampling it. Yeah. Is the other side okay? Or?
Yeah, this
okay.
side
Good.
is okay.
Good. Oh, jeez.
And yesterday, this one was green. Was
Oh my
ready
gosh.
to go. I like to leave them on the tree to get ripe. The animals come and they check everything.
The
only
do
thing
that.
I have going for me is that there are so many trees, so many fruit that they can't try them all.
They can't eat it all. You strengthen numbers, I guess.
Yeah.
That's a good strategy.
I think this is my orange essence or lemon meringue.
Oh my gosh, I bet that's
this
good.
is Super Julie.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
Where's the orange essence? It's probably this one right here.
Okay,
That's a Super Julie. That fellow will produce a lot of mangoes. I haven't gotten any yet.
nice. There you go,
Lemon meringue.
lemon meringue. I had some friends that had one.
Waiting to taste this.
Okay. It's interesting how small these new leaves are. I guess they'll burst out and get big like that, but it's interesting.
will.
The new flushes. Interesting.
Now this is my pride and joy because I've been fighting with this tree forever. Everyone I know
fruit
that
punch.
this is a fruit punch.
Nice.
But the powder mildew and stuff is
yeah.
extremely difficult. I don't know if
I think it's that oak tree. Yeah, I think even though it's on the sort of what is this, northeast side, because these things tend to drip. I call it like raining carbohydrates because you get pollen and sap and all these things that kind of come out, and you will get a higher incident of the powdery mildew or the what do you call it, sooty mold on here that has cascading issues. But that tree might be part of what's going
I
on.
think so because it gets a lot of spiders on it too.
Okay.
And spider mites become a problem.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. Well, if it's just this tree, then it may be that.
This is the one that always have it, and
Okay.
sometimes I get it on here.
Okay.
But because this is my pride and joy, I treat this one all the time. It gets copper, sulfur, everything.
Okay. And this is a Bombay?
This is a Bombay.
Okay.
Oh, you knew that?
Oh, I looked at the tag. I cheated.
Oh, okay.
No, sir. I'm not gifted with any mango ID
This
capabilities.
is Bombay.
Nice. The
One,
tree looks
it's
gorgeous.
Extremely difficult to grow.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I've
And
been
the tree
fighting with
itself is difficult to grow? It's just fussy?
Bombay for some reason, and it won't produce. No,
Okay.
it takes a while before it produces anything.
Well, you did good this year. Because to me, this was a bad fruit set
I'm
year.
here. I bought this. This is my third year. At the end of this year, I would have been here for 3 years.
Okay.
And look at the size of this tree.
It's gorgeous. Yeah. That is, for a difficult tree or even a good, easy tree, this is good looking.
That this tree made me cry. I almost thought I was gonna lose it. Every
Oh,
leaf
no.
fell off. And
Oh,
we had
no.
idea.
Oh, no.
Every expert came, nobody could tell me what's wrong with my
Oh,
tree.
jeez.
But
Now she's back and running for you. Nice.
this is the one you were asking about.
Okay.
It's Keith, just as I thought.
Is it a keat? Okay, I was gonna say that thing is.
I gotta get something and get this thing off the ground.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah, because keat is a wonderful fruit.
I love them.
Yeah. There was a tree in downtown Vero Beach years and years ago behind, I think it was Schism's camera, and oh my gosh, it was 30 feet tall. Nobody ever ate the fruit, so I used to climb the tree and get those keats around August or late July, early August. What's this guy right here?
This is Venus.
Okay.
For some reason it produced nothing this year, but last year it had about 10 fruits. And
Okay.
they were large like coconuts.
Oh my goodness.
I thought I should not have let it, hold all those fruits. And
Right.
it did. And we had to be fighting with the animals because they come from this direction and this was their favorite.
Yeah.
And the fruits were large. And they'll take one fruit off and they spend all night trying to carry it away.
Oh geez. They wear themselves out dragging that 3 or 4 pound fruit away.
And this is Juliet, I think.
Juliet. Okay.
Juliet.
Okay.
It produced a lot of fruit last year, not
Nice.
that much this year.
Yeah.
And see a beautiful Juliet.
Beautiful. Beautiful. And you're getting another flush of flowers. Maybe you'll get some set on that now that it's
Yes.
warm.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, it just goes on and on, folks. Mango City. And then you got some other things mixed in with it. Is this another spondius here? Another June plum? Or
Long gone.
Oh, long gone. Jeez, faked me out.
I air layered it from
Oh, okay.
a tree of one of my friends.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Nice. Long Gone is delicious too.
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
They tend to do well out here. They accept they just don't die on you unless you do something very wrong.
Are they fussy with chill hours? Do they need a lot of chill
No.
hours to?
No.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, I'll show you what needs chill hours. I might be the only one crazy enough to try it. 'Cause I spent thousands and thousands of dollars on them, and they may not do well here.
Oh, citrus. What's this? Is this a some?
Yeah, it's an orange. It's not an orange. We use it to make a drink.
Oh, okay.
And we call it Sybil orange.
Sybil orange.
Yeah.
Okay.
It tastes almost like lime. It's like a lemon, lime.
Nice.
The size of an orange.
The foliage is awesome on it. These petioles, these winged petioles are really neat. I was telling you, that's my racket is citrus. We spend all day in the groves out there, so that's really
when
fun.
my customers come, those who know, they'll get one to take home to make their drink with.
Sweet.
That's more Long Gone.
Another
more
Long Gone. Okay.
That looks like either Carrie or Venus again.
Okay.
I could tell that's a Venus from the size of that mango.
From the big mango, yeah. Jeez.
Yep, it's a Venus.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it. It's a Valencia Pride Eye.
Oh, that's a nice variety.
It died, and then I just grafted Valencia on top of it.
Okay. I have a Springfuls in my yard that was also a Hayden filial or offspring or whatever, but Valencia Pride is far superior to.
This is a Fairchild.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that. It might have been
Oh no. Got a little split action going here with
yeah,
that's that.
Oh, a fruit punch. Okay, another one of the fruit
Oh, fruit punch. 6-8 weeks of dry weather and then we get a little rain and you get that.
Yeah,
Unfortunately.
fall off. Sometimes it will bloom again. Look at that.
Yeah.
There were so many huge, beautiful mangoes
And now they're down on the ground.
on the ground. Oh, this one looks like it's too hard. Hey, you know,
Not too bad looking there.
Yeah, if it was something like a nam dak mai,
Uh-huh.
you could eat it just like this.
Okay.
In fact, right now, people are buying nam dak mai.
Okay,
Like
for
this.
vegetables.
Yeah.
Okay.
But-
That's what I like about that Pim Sing Mum is you can eat it as a vegetable early or you can eat it as a fruit if it comes on and it has like an apple flavor to it. At least from what I recall. How's that going? Is that real carbohydrate-y or is it starting to get sugary on you?
I could tell that in a little more, another week or so,
Okay. That
I
have
would
more
start
sugar
to
on
get
it?
more sugar.
Okay. Okay. That might be a good vegetable to cook then maybe. Oh, this one's got lots of fruit going for it.
That looks like a carry.
Okay.
Or the super duty. Carry?
Oh, I don't see the tag.
This is a tag
Oh,
right
there
here.
you go. You're good at catching those tags.
It's a Super Julie.
Super Julie, okay.
Oh, the fruits are falling. Those are. Oh, maybe this is my Fairchild then. You know what a
okay.
Fairchild mango looks like?
I've heard of
I
them.
lost the tag. It was right, sitting in the middle right there. And now it's gone.
Well, I'll put it to the audience. If this kind of looks like it has more of the Philippine type in it, let me get close. If you think this is a Fairchild, you can comment and I'll get a hold of Mr. Miller and let him know if there's any
I know I
mango
had
people
one
out there.
Along here, tag is gone.
Okay.
And this is Jamaica's favorite, East Indian.
Ah, yes.
I got about 2 dozen mangoes off this last year.
Nice
size
for
of
this
this
size. Yeah.
2 dozen mangoes last year.
Golly.
A lot less this year, but still plenty. And it still got flowers on it.
Are those little squash out there? What are those yellow?
Those are peppers, Scotch bonnet
Oh my
peppers.
goodness, look
I
at
got
that.
tons of it.
Oh, that's neat. From this distance, they almost look like little gourds or something. I've never seen a Scotch bonnet that shape. That's so neat. Of course, I don't know.
I got 5,000 plants over there.
Oh, that is so cool.
I'm going to show you Scotch bonnet.
Oh my gosh.
This here is, I bet it's another Super Julie.
Okay.
Okay, here's the tag. Super
Yep.
Julie again.
Super Julie, yeah.
And this is the nam dak mai.
Okay. That's a very popular one.
Yeah.
That's a good flavor to it. It's earned its reputation.
Yeah.
They're a good smooth eating Philippine typer.
Okay. Those are all custard apple right here, about 400 of them.
Wow. So on that question, well here, let me stop this and then I'm going to ask you this question separately.